What's up, guys? How's it going? This is Seth, your chartist, and today is April 23rd, 2023. It's a Sunday, local time 10:26 a.m. And I'm going to be analyzing Meta. It has its earnings this week. Um, so I'm going to be analyzing that. If you do like the video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Chartist, on YouTube. And you can follow me here and give me a thumbs up if you do understand the logics here. First of all, I am bullish. I'm bullish. Why I'm bullish, I'm going to explain you now. And my targets are, I don't know, roughly 230, and then it can even explode to 250. But for now, let's keep it to 230, and that seems more possible. But it can definitely explode to 250 plus. All right, in coming days, at least for now. Let's see what happens. But this is not an earnings play. All right, I'm not relying on earnings. Let's understand what price action is trying to tell us. Black line is EMA 20, red line is EMA 50. All right, so price is actually reacting from here. And this, I've seen this in Apple as well. This price action is telling you, let's understand this. So what happened here was price was falling from 233 and it made a low of 170 and then it started going up. Look at the gap here. And then when it made a low and then when it made a high, so definitely this is a demand zone, this is a demand zone, this is a demand zone. All right, so all these demands, like first of all, this was broken, this was broken, and this tried to hold it, and it even gave a bounce of from 175 till $225 move, but then ultimately it broke down. So definitely selling is here. All right, if you try to understand, definitely a selling is there. The candle opened up as a green candle on May 4th, 2022, and then it, opened as a gap down, and then the selling started. All right, and it, actually beat the buyers here. So that's why this price action is very important. But if you look here, this is also a proper quality supply zone here, and I am scared that if price goes in here now, it's gonna take a fall. My targets are till here, but I have the targets for 250ish as well. All right, but for now, let's book it here. I want to keep it simple, and price is here right now. It's reacting from this zone, and so it's basically demand and supply works. On the basis of testing. So look at this, it's already tested, and now I'm going to show you what happened when price actually reached this zone. All right, look here, look at the volume under this one. So price actually goes in and hits. I'm just not making things up. Check it here. So this is the first time. Look here, I'm going to make a straight line, draw a line here. Oh no, if I'll draw, my drawing will pop up anyways. So yeah, I knew. So look here, so price actually goes in here in this zone, in this red candle, the wick of it on 13th April with this green candle. All right, look at the volume. All right, look at the volume. Volume is good, right? If you compare it to three previous bars, the volume is good. And then it goes up, the volume is same. All right, and the candle also looks green, but the body to the upside didn't come there because this zone was collecting when price hit here into that previous zone which I was showing you. It started collecting pending orders, supply pending orders. That is why it's going down now. This is a demand zone, a poor demand zone, I can say, because it has hit a supply zone. So this actually is trying to hold. All right, it might not hold, but I'm long here. Reasons are different. I wanted this to work, it didn't work, but stop loss is somewhere there, somewhere here. All right, but this demand zone is broken, you can call it, because it gapped down, right? So this has no power left now. But again, if we do break, there is a supply here. If we do break above it, it's coming. But the thing is, this is price action. This is price action. All right. So if you want to trade as on basis of price action, your trade is somewhere here. Your trade is somewhere here. All right. But if we talk about momentum, all right, let's talk about momentum now. This is making the price react this zone. So this is tested, and price where goes into at into the zone at 222, and then it starts reacting, and it's at 210. So reaction is coming, and the reaction is so powerful that this demand is also broken. Now, what is price doing? EMA 20, it's taking a support of EMA 20. Now let me go to weekly. On daily, it's taking support of EMA 20. And then if we look on weekly, this is a supply zone on weekly. All right. This is a supply zone which was already tested by this wick. So now whatever strength is left is proper quality zone is here. All right. Which we saw on daily, the gap one. All right. I'm talking about this one. There were two gaps. This one I'm talking about, 231. All right. Now, the thing is, momentum is too much. If you look at the momentum here, this is RSI. If you look at the momentum, momentum is too much. All right. You cannot mess up with the momentum. So, what my expectation is that price tomorrow, what can happen is if you want to catch it now, stop loss, if you want to catch it now, either place an order around 209, the low, or if close the better. But otherwise, what you can do is if it closes tomorrow up, then you'll have to pay more. But your stop loss will be somewhere around. Let me turn on the drawings. Your stop loss will not change. All right, you need to understand that this is your stop loss level. You need a closing under it. We are not closing under this PR2 level, which is 211. So this and ultimate stop loss level is this, but it shouldn't go there. That's what I'm assuming, but you cannot time the market. But you need a closing under this. It gapped down, but it never closed under it. All right. So now my expectation is uh, tomorrow market will open at the same level or maybe under. That's what I'm expecting. Or I'm already long. I got my positions here at 213. So it can open at the same price or lower, and then if it closes, if it goes lower, you can start adding here positions here, and then once you will think that it's going to go down, it will all this selling pressure that is coming here is going to reverse up. All right, that's what my expectation is. So my expectation is that, and this is much more technical, and I don't want to get into this, but the thing is, you should not be focusing on shorting meta at all. If you're doing that, it's against the rules. Even if you don't know technical analysis, or if you know a little bit, you can understand at this look. By looking at this, you can clearly see it's in clear cut uptrend. You cannot go against the trend, and momentum is suggesting up move. So I'm going to draw it here. So what it should do, it should go like this, hit this, and then it can go beyond this. All right, targets are much higher. It should give a reaction here, but it can do this and then boom. All right, but I'm this is what my expectation is. First target is 230, and I'm going to exit my positions there. But let's see, let's hope for the best. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That doesn't mean that you start buying options, because you need to look at other things as well. But meta 230 should come. All right, and I posted a chart a week ago or 2 weeks ago as well for meta, so you can check that chart out as well. So this is it. This is what my analysis are for meta. Hopefully you like the video, and I know it's a long video, but it's a sensible video. So take care, guys. Have a good one. We'll update spy now really quick. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.